Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn an important concept in forensic science known as Locard's exchange principle. The principle helps investigation solve crimes using scientific evidence. So let's understand it in a very simple and clear way.
Ha ha ha, nobody can catch me tonight. Planned everything perfectly. I wore gloves so there are no fingerprints. I didn't touch anything with my bare hands, and I even cleaned up my footprints. This is the perfect crime, and the police will never know it was me. Ha ha ha. Oh no, the door is broken. Our jewelry is gone. Someone has robbed our house. Call the police.
Don't worry, we have solved the case. Yes, the thief thought he committed a perfect crime. The evidence matched, the criminal is arrested.
Officer, we don't understand how did you solve the case. See, I will clearly explain. Thief thinks I wore gloves, so I left no evidence. And also he thinks I am brilliant. But reality gloves prevent fingerprints only. They do not prevent all evidence. Yes, sweat is evidence. Sweat contains DNA when a person moves, bends, or works. Sweat falls or rubs onto surfaces. Sweat transfers to cloths, floors, handles, tools. This is a physical contact, so it follows Locard's exchange principle. Every contact leaves a trace, not only fingerprints. And also, Locard exchange principle. Whenever two objects or people come into contact, something is transferred between them. When a criminal enters a crime scene, even for a short time, the criminal leaves something behind and takes something away from the scene. This two-way transfer is called exchange. Example of traces: DNA from sweat, saliva, skin cells, and fibers from cloths, footprints, shoe marks, glass fragments, and dust, soil, paint. Wearing gloves stops fingerprints, not all evidence. So, this is the Locard exchange principle. Conclusion. To conclude, the Locard's exchange principle proves that every contact leaves a trace, no matter how careful a criminal is. Some evidence will always be left behind. This principle plays a crucial role in delivering justice through science. So remember, every contact leaves a trace. That is the power of the Locard exchange principle.